Ready to expand to Walmart? Here's how to list your product the right way. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to go to find free access to Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's say that you want to sell this Hello Kitty Monopoly on Walmart. You have this in stock, you're going to sell it on Walmart, and there are no other sellers. So first what you want to do is just double check, are there other sellers on Walmart selling this item? So you can type in Hello Kitty Monopoly with friends and see if there are other sellers first. If there are other sellers, then you can sell under that listing, usually without product approval. So we're going to type in Hello Kitty Monopoly, and we're going to see, and they do have it. So that's the first thing I'm going to show you is how to sell it under a listing. So to sell it under a listing, what you're going to do is, we found it on Walmart. You're going to click the item, and then it's going to have this special ID, right? Here's the special ID. It's right here. And then what you're going to do is go into seller.walmart.com. You're going to click add items, and then you're going to copy this ID right here, and you're going to paste it right here. And then you can click add item, and then you simply fill it out, and then boom, your item will show up. This is going to be the fastest way. Now, if it's not on Walmart or you want to create a brand new listing, you can click create a new item here, and this is what we're going to go through in today's video. So first things first, you're going to put in your item ID. So we're just going to take a UPC code. We've got a whole bunch of them. To get a UPC code, you can get it from gs1.org. This is the official website to get them, gs1.org. Right, gs1us.org if it's US, and then you can get a barcode there. If not, you can get it cheaper from snapupc.com. Yeah, but anyway, you get a UPC code, and then you're going to put a SKU in. So you can just put in, let's say, a Hello Kitty Monopoly. Okay, and then you're going to put your product name in. You can see what the competitors are putting in for their product name, right? Usually short and sweet works the best with Walmart. So you can do Monopoly, Hello Kitty, and Friends board game by USopoly. We can also look at what other people type in, just Monopoly in general, right? So you can look at the other competitors and see what they put in for the title. But we're really focusing on how to create the listing in today's video, not optimization. So again, site description. You can utilize Amazon, so look on Amazon and then see what did they put for their description. And then utilize that. Key features, again, same thing. You can utilize Amazon or other websites and then see they already have key features ready to go. So you can kind of go through the key features here and put them in. Just make sure it looks nice, fix it up. Explore the exciting world of Hello Kitty. Brand name. What is the brand name of this? You can see, again, this is USAopoly. So you can put that brand name in. So we got USAopoly. And then I recommend to start as seller fulfilled, and then once it's created, then convert it to Walmart fulfilled. So start as seller fulfilled. Then it should have the category. If not, you can select the category. If the category doesn't show up, that means that your title sucks. So make sure your title's good, and then Walmart automatically knows what category you're selling in. So again, there's other key features, and again, we're just kind of going through here. So you'd put the other key features. You need to have at least 3. And now here's the add the images. So under the add the images, you can browse and upload the images yourself, or you can literally really take them from Amazon directly. So I'm going to right click, copy image address from amazon.com, and I'm going to post it into here. Click add. And then boom, so you can see you can add the images. So you need to add, I believe, 5 images for Walmart to allow you to list this item. So the more images, the better, of course. Make sure they're HD. And again, I'm just clicking on Amazon images, right clicking, and then just pretty much utilizing their images to create this listing. So I'm gonna add one more, and then we should be good at the minimum. Again, I would have added all of them, but we're just showing you how to create these listings. Click submit, bada bing, bada boom. What's the sell price? Let's do $45.99. What's the shipping weight? Again, if you don't know the shipping weight, you can use a scale. Sometimes it also shows it on Amazon.com. I like to use Amazon as a reference, or you can use other websites. It's got 1 pound right here. Count per pack, 1. No. Age group, I'm gonna say it's for everybody except for toddlers and infants. Game type, classic. Does it have a warranty? If you don't know, you can just click no for now. I'm just gonna put it has 1 case. Does it have small parts? I think it has small choking parts. So I'm just gonna put that in there. And then recommended to improve search and browse on Walmart's website. So you put the product depth, the height, the width, just put the right information first. Just double check all that. Does it have any batteries, battery size, brand license, right? So just characters. This is gonna help Hello Kitty, right? This is gonna help you rank. So put in all that information to the best of your ability, right? You can also go to the right side and just see, make sure everything looks good, and then click submit. And then once you click submit, it's going to give you a ID. So once you click submit, go back to catalog, and then you're gonna go to activity feed, and it's going to give you a special ID. Now, sometimes it takes like an hour to show up this special feed ID, but you wanna see if there's any errors, what's going on when you implement a feed ID. So just refresh it, and you should be able to get a feed ID, and then go to your catalog, and it sometimes takes 5 to 24 hours for the listing to actually show up. So wait 24 hours, make sure you have that feed ID, and it should show. If it doesn't show, then you want to copy that feed ID and you want to contact Walmart support and say, hey, I tried to create this listing. It had 2 errors, and maybe it'll show you the errors. Maybe you forgot to add, it's not a valid color, or you didn't put the unit quantity, right? Sometimes it tells you what to do so you can recreate the listing. But you can also copy this feed ID, go to Walmart and actually contact Walmart right here. Click on this little button. Click on this little button, contact support. And then you can just say, hey, my listing is not being created. Please help. And then put your feed ID. Feed ID. And then you can create this. Now, Walmart isn't the best amount of help, so I recommend to try to look at your errors yourself and then see what went wrong. If it doesn't show up, if you create the listing and it doesn't show up in your feed ID, that means it didn't get pushed through at all, so you have to redo it. So just try to triple check and try to do it yourself before you contact Walmart. Last resort is to contact Walmart and try to get it resolved. It's just that Walmart is extremely slow. But if everything goes as planned, within 24 hours, you can go to catalog, and then you'll see your listing right here, and it will say seller fulfilled. And if you need to convert it to Walmart fulfilled, you're just simply going to go here and click fulfill with WFS, and then you're automatically going to be able to ship it into Walmart with Walmart fulfillment. So it's going to say, you know that you converted it properly once it says seller fulfilled to WFS eligible. Now, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free Walmart training that's going to help you in your journey. So all you have to do is go to Google, type in Walmart seller training, and then after all of these crazy ads, you're going to see Walmart Seller Academy right here. And this is free. I don't even think you need to log in. It looks like you don't even need to log in, and it shows you item setup, catalog optimization. It has all of these different items that you can do to help you sell on Walmart. Tons of free training, and I highly recommend you go through it so you can understand Walmart and succeed on Walmart. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help on anything Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. We specialize in Walmart as well as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay, and we can help you increase your sales, manage your listings, push those listings through that aren't getting updated. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.